hard, okay? It's hard. That's not bad.
That is
What do you
horrifying.
mean not bad?
Today, we are going to be building our own custom characters in Saints Row Boss Factory. So our good friends over at AMD wanted to sponsor this video to give us a sneak peek at the brand new Saints Row game before it comes out, specifically by building our characters for it. So I've imported my favorite characters, Ken and Matt. So while Matt is building the character, us on the couch get to, heckle?
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 Oh, heckle.
Wait, Matt, are you already started? You know what? Matt's just as fast at starting things as AMD is at giving you a great new game bundle, which comes with the new Saints Row, Sniper Elite 5, as well as Forspoken. Check out the link in the description. Go! All right, okay, you guys start with skin tone, okay.
I feel like I won't know until the face.
The face is definitely what you gotta
The
go
face
on,
is
right?
the giveaway, right?
I go from top to bottom. Some of these go.
Dude,
yeah,
which head,
like-
which head, which head?
I can't find the one I need.
Does he play frisbee?
He does play frisbee.
Marquez.
Yeah.
What? The first one's Marquez? I can't believe you got Marquez as the first one. That's not even fair. I thought you were gonna get like Aristotle or something.
I don't even know who Aristotle looks like.
3, 2, 1, go!
This guy is like, no, yes.
Yeah, I feel like.
Well, don't say that, because you're gonna have to talk to this dude later. Oh, okay, so I could randomize the face. Oh, let's do that. That's not helping.
Do we want nipples or not, Ken? Do we have
Yes.
nipples or not?
Yes.
Are they forward presenting though?
Oh, wait, that's it.
To me, this is like a dead ringer for Armando.
Yeah, it looks like Armando more than it does this person, but this is as
Joshua
close.
Vergara.
No, Kyle.
Kyle! That's not bad. That's not bad.
I was the closest I could get to Kyle.
Horrible, but like, there is zero chance that you're gonna get this.
No, this is gonna be.
Watch me surprise you. All right.
Amber Heard.
I haven't even started yet. Oh, then I can do this one.
You
I can do
can't
this one.
start yourself.
Okay, randomize. Wait. No, let me go to.
Oh.
No,
Oh, Pete
wait.
Davidson.
No,
Pete Davidson.
no. That was closer. I might do that one. There we go.
Tech Jesus.
Metal Jesus Rocks.
Nope.
Jared Leto.
No. Okay, so here. This will be the big tell right here. We're just gonna go all.
Whose massive wiener are you trying to show us?
This is actually. Oh no, that's not. No.
Jared Leto on
2.
Got nothing.
Norman Reedus.
Incorrect. But it's not
Oh,
here.
it's
Ken, do you know it? You know it?
it's Neo.
I did!
Okay, I'm actually gonna say that I'm pretty spot on this one.
What? Hillary Clinton.
It is not Hillary Clinton.
Gwyneth Paltrow?
It is not Gwyneth Paltrow.
Oh,
what?
That's ray trace on.
Who is it?
It is. Justine.
Oh, it's on. What?
I think I did pretty good.
That's pretty good, actually.
Really?
This looks like
Jackets.
the guy who sells drugs at a private school.
Hold on. Oh, and he needs a hat. He needs a hat.
Justin Long.
It's too late, Ken.
I got nothing on
I
this.
got absolutely nothing on.
I still say Jeremy from third period who used
The
to sell
other
drugs.
thing is that the hair definitely doesn't poof out with the hat.
Ash
Ash
Ketchum?
Ketchum?
You know what? The jacket and the hat, though, I see what he was going for.
God.
That's tough.
You know,
Dude.
okay.
Look, last time I thought I did pretty good.
Yours looked like the Madame Tussauds version after a fire.
I'm gonna
Is
go
it
with
someone
that.
we know?
Yeah, slightly. That's not. He doesn't have the tattoo, but that's a hint.
Jacksepticeye? Is that
No.
Jacksepticeye.
That's not bad, right?
It's gonna be like PewDiePie or something. Like, okay, who is it?
Mr. Beast.
No!
Get out!
No!
Get
No!
out!
It's not far off.
No!
Are you kidding me? When you're doing one of these, what you gotta go is for a defining feature. What do we got?
Lamar Wilson.
This is gonna be the easiest one if you guys don't get this. Skinny. There we go.
Linus.
It's Austin when he stopped working out. Can you change the background to an apartment burning?
That'd be pretty fire, but
Do they have "Hey guys" as an emote?
yeah, that one looks pretty good. We could do that
You
one.
just looked at me and said, "Yeah, it's me.
It's definitely still
It's
on.
still me."
And then
Eminem.
Oh, it's Logic.
Logic. Oh no, Fantano. Fantano. Yes. Yes, the yellow. Oh.
I knew you guys were gonna guess Austin constantly, so I'm winning right now because I'm the only one that you guys have got that anyone has guessed.
Oh yeah, right. It's not the guesser
We're not
wins.
trying to trick you. We're trying to make something that you guys can figure out.
Yeah.
Go.
All right.
Bill Clinton.
We'll keep the skin tone. Figure. I actually don't know what his figure is because I always see him like
PewDiePie doesn't have legs.
shirt.
Yeah, what category?
Yeah, help us out.
He's a YouTuber.
He is a YouTuber.
Wait, Vsauce, Michael.
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, that's Michael?
Well, because I couldn't get the face right. They don't have.
I don't deserve a point for that one. Look at the power of that Radeon 6950 XT. Man, this game looks beautiful. Thank you very much. All right, everybody ready?
Yeah.
What the Jared!
Here we go.
Jared, I cannot do this one. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that, right? There's so many options for noses. Who needs this many nose options? I need an overall. Is there an overall?
Overalls? I feel like you're creating just a.
No.
Is this from Last of Us?
No. This is a character from a game who does not have normal body proportions. If I had more time, I would make them much shorter. Okay, here we go.
You know what?
Paperboy?
You know what's? It's Mario. This looks more like Mr. Beast than his actual Mr. Beast one.
All of mine have been dead on. I don't know what you're talking about. You guys just don't know.
the best.
I've
Yeah.
had some hard ones.
You did not get hard ones.
Michael Jackson.
Bezos.
Jeff Bezos, yeah, that's a good one.
I'm down with that. I'm down with that.
Me.
No, not everything's about you.
Obscure 90s movie.
Michael J. Fox. Let's go! Let's
What?
go!
Money Can Fly?
Let's go! Back
The
to the
red jacket,
future!
The red jacket.
Back to the future!
I like Ken looking sad.
Scroll.
If we had memorized the hairs, it'd go a lot
Elon
faster.
Musk. No, it's not f***ing Elon Musk. Oh my God!
This is why I said we can't have super famous people
Oh.
because we just guess them. Oh.
I mean, I think I just immediately get a point.
Look, Austin is playing the smart game. I think if you just yell names, you'll eventually win at some point.
Exactly. I'm waiting. Oh, okay. F you, Jared. This hairstyle does not exist in this game. I will tell you, it does not exist. I blame Jared directly for this one.
Some obscure YouTuber that no one's gonna have heard of.
No comment.
Okay.
All right, that face I actually feel relatively good about. Clearly,
Why is it always the brain?
this one will make sense. All right, we're gonna go skinny. We're gonna.
Whoa! No.
That was inaccurate.
I'm gonna give you credit. This looks like a real human being.
Yeah,
but
it should. I hope so. You know what? I'm calling it. That's good. Yeah, get close. Get close. Look at Jared's face. Jared knows the answer to this, and he's trying not to die right now.
This is actually burning me, and I don't want you to tell me because I'm gonna be so disappointed.
He's trying to say it's him.
It's not Austin.
Not Austin. I can't tell you anything else. Other than
Jared, did he actually make it spot on?
I'll give you a hint. 2010.
Is Jonathan Morrison? He's
No,
not
it's
Jonathan
not.
Morrison.
It's
Okay.
not. I would consider a dear friend though.
From 2010? Who the fuck is this?
You know 4 people in your life, and you're gonna tell me that this thing is a dear friend of yours. No. This is Austin.
Go ahead.
It's old.
This is 2010 Austin.
Duncan 33303, baby.
That's fucking stupid. No, but where's the fro?
None of this is. This
Where's
is
the
so
fro?
bad.
Sounds like a bunch of sour grapes over here. If you're a fan of sour grapes, then you'll probably enjoy the brand new Saints Row Boss Factory, available right now. The link in the description. So definitely be sure to go and check out those shiny new Radeon graphics cards that can create masterpieces like this. I'll take no credit. Really, it was the power of the GPU and not my artistic capability here.
All the power in the world, and that still looks like, yeah.